Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 6th of September. We did a catapult bounce, a catamill, a circle pretzel and an arm jive Manhattan. If you need any teaching information on those moves, there are links to the teaching clips in the description below, and this will show you how we joined everything together. We started with the catapult bounce, so we started right to right and we went 7 and 8, we went a back, sweep, lean, bounce and out to the side. Spin right to right for the catamill, we went a sweep, a lean, unsweep off of the circle pretzel, left up, right up, left up, slide arm jive Manhattan, forwards and back and forwards, forwards and back and forwards, forwards and prep, turn, face, return and back, and that was the whole routine. Hope you find that helpful. We have a music recommendation on the end. It comes up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video, so something nice for you to practice to. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And as always, thank you to everybody who watches World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.